How does LEO satellite internet get low latency? Imagine being able to surf the internet, make video calls, or play online games with almost no delay, even if you're far from city centers. That's the promise of low Earth orbit satellite internet. Unlike traditional satellites that orbit thousands of kilometers above us, these satellites fly much closer to the ground. They orbit at heights between about 500 and 1,200 kilometers. This proximity makes a huge difference in how fast signals travel back and forth. When signals don't have to cover such long distances, the time it takes for data to move is drastically cut down. This is why latency, or the delay you feel when using the internet, is so much lower with these satellites. The design of the satellite networks also plays a big role. These systems use large groups of satellites working together, called satellite constellations. Since the satellites move quickly across the sky, the network can route your data through the nearest satellite and ground station. This means your information takes the shortest possible path, reducing delays. Some advanced systems even use laser links between satellites. These laser beams connect satellites directly in space, avoiding the need to send data down to ground stations first. This can cut latency even more. Another key factor is how the satellites focus their signals. They use special antennas with multiple beams that target specific areas. This focused approach boosts signal strength and quality, which means fewer retransmissions and less waiting time. To handle the constant movement and changing conditions, these networks use smart protocols that quickly adapt routes and manage data flow. This helps prevent delays caused by lost packets or handovers from one satellite to another. Ground stations are also placed strategically around the world. This reduces the distance data must travel on land, further lowering latency. Some systems even incorporate edge computing, where data is processed closer to the user rather than traveling all the way to distant data centers. This setup speeds up response times for activities like video calls or online gaming. All these elements work together to make low Earth orbit satellite internet nearly as responsive as traditional broadband. Instead of waiting hundreds of milliseconds, users experience delays of just 25 to 50 milliseconds. This makes it possible to do real-time activities smoothly, even in remote areas where traditional internet options are limited. So, by flying close to Earth, designing smart satellite networks, and using innovative technology, low Earth orbit satellite internet can deliver fast, low-latency connections worldwide.